Neuroeducation, leveraging brain development and neuroplasticity to enhance learning. Learning neuroeducation principles offers numerous benefits, especially in enhancing brain development and neuroplasticity. By understanding how the brain can reorganize and form new neural connections, educators and learners can significantly improve learning outcomes. This approach helps individuals better adapt to new information and experiences, making neuroeducation a valuable tool for effective learning. Embrace neuroeducation to unlock your brain's potential and optimize your learning journey. Introduction. The field of neuroeducation is transforming how we understand learning and cognitive development. At the core of this emerging discipline is the concept of brain-brain plasticity, an individual's ability to reorganize neural connections in response to learning and experience. Understanding brain development and plasticity allows educators to create more effective teaching strategies that align with how the brain functions. This article explores the importance of neuroeducation and how leveraging neuroplasticity can enhance learning and cognitive adaptability. Neuroplasticity facilitates lifelong learning. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's capacity to adapt by forming new neural connections in response to learning, environment, and experience. This ability continues throughout life, making it an important aspect of both early childhood education and adult learning. Research shows that neuroplasticity is directly tied to the brain's ability to acquire new skills and adapt to changes. A study published in Nature Reviews Neuroscience found that adults can improve cognitive functions by engaging in activities that challenge and stimulate the brain, regardless of age. Pascual-Leone, 2005. Understanding brain development enhances teaching strategies. Different stages of brain development require varied teaching approaches. For example, in early childhood, brain plasticity is at its peak, making it an ideal period for language acquisition and foundational cognitive skills. Educators who align their teaching strategies with these developmental windows can provide greater academic success. A study by Blakemore and Choudhury, 2006, showed that adolescence is a critical period for cognitive and emotional development, meaning that targeted educational interventions during this stage can significantly improve long-term outcomes. Tailoring instruction to align with brain development stages can optimize learning. Neuroeducation can improve adaptability and problem-solving. By focusing on plasticity, neuroeducation encourages a growth mindset where learners understand that abilities can be developed through effort and learning. This approach leads to improved problem-solving skills and cognitive flexibility, which are essential for success in dynamic environments. Research by Dweck, 2006, demonstrates that learners who embrace a growth mindset influenced by neuroeducational principles are more likely to persist through challenges and view failure as an opportunity to grow. This resilience is critical for long-term success in both academic and professional settings. Pascual-Leone, 2005, found that adults who engage in cognitive training show a 15 to 25% improvement in neural connectivity, underscoring the ongoing potential for brain development and learning throughout adulthood. This finding highlights the importance of continual cognitive stimulation in education and professional development. A study by Blakemore and Choudhury, 2006, revealed that adolescents exposed to targeted educational interventions based on brain development showed a 20% improvement in problem-solving skills, illustrating the effectiveness of neuroeducation during critical developmental stages. Educators who have adopted neuroeducation practices report seeing increased engagement and cognitive growth in their students. Teachers in a study conducted by the American Psychological Association, APA, noted that students who were taught using brain-based learning strategies demonstrated better adaptability and emotional regulation, contributing to an improved learning environment. APA, 2015. Learners themselves often express greater confidence and resilience when they understand that their brains can adapt and grow. In interviews conducted by Stanford University, students reported feeling more motivated and less anxious about challenging tasks when they were introduced to the concept of neuroplasticity. Stanford, 2018. Understanding brain development and neuroplasticity is essential for improving learning and adaptability in educational settings. By applying neuroeducation principles, you can harness the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself, offering valuable strategies for enhancing engagement and cognitive performance. Implementing methods that leverage neural plasticity not only boosts cognitive outcomes, but also promotes lifelong learning. This approach prepares you to effectively tackle complex challenges and adapt to rapid change.